and girls. So we have more sight words this week. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up our new sight words. All right. And our first word, notice how we have our heart words again this week. Our first word is bin. Now, when you look at this, you can sound out that B, buh. And we've learned that EE. We've learned the saying when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So we would say that name. However, for this one, it's a little tricky because we don't say bean, bean, like a green bean. It's almost like a short E, bein. That's how we say it here. And then we have our N sound, bein. Now let's see our sentence for it. Have you ever been to Disney World? Now, if you look right here, you will actually see Mrs. Hogan has been to Disney World. She actually gave me some tips for when I got to go for the first time last March, right before the whole world shut down because of COVID. So I wonder if you've ever been to Disney World. It's a wonderful place. So repeat after me, Ben. Awesome. All right, now our next word involves what you do with your ears. We've talked about the word hear, which is H-E-A-R. But notice how this word has a D. If I were to forget that D and just look at the word hear, I could say E-er, hear. However, because that D is on it, it changes that middle sound. Notice there's a heart there. So we have our at the beginning, and this is going to make the sound, almost like that A is not even there. We've worked on the IR, ER, and UR. It's like it makes that sound. Heard. So if it helps you, remember, if you've heard something, then it means that you hear it. So within the word heard, you have the word hear, which involves your ear, which is right in the middle, E-A-R, ear. So, I heard a wolf howl. So it's something that you do with your ear, and you hear that sound. So you heard it, meaning that it was in the past. All right, so repeat after me. Heard. Good job. All right, our next word, this is what my husband has to do to get me out the door, is hurry. So we have the at the beginning. We've learned that the UR makes the sound. Notice how that is a double consonant, so we're only going to make that sound once. And that Y is going to make the E sound. Hurry. Hurry. We need to hurry. If you don't hurry, you're going to miss the bus. So repeat after me. Hurry. Good. All right. Now, this is what you do every day you come to school. This word is learn. So notice how we have the L at the beginning. And just like when we did the word heard, we have that sound in the middle. So it's almost like that A doesn't say anything. Instead, that E and R are working together to say So learn. Let's see what our sentence says. We learned so much in first grade, which is true. Repeat after me. Learn. Okay. All right. Now, this word, notice how it has that L. This O is not going to make the O sound. Notice if I took that D away, I would have L-O-V-E, which we would assume would be a super E word, but it's not. This O is almost going to make the sound, like a U. D. That ED works together to say duh. So this word is loved.